Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, it's actually a video that you can potentially get some money. So yeah, if you're a Verizon customer, and then we'll see what years it was from, because it had to be from a certain time period, you could claim $100 from Verizon. Of course, they due to a class action lawsuit. Okay, so let's get into it. Of course, Verizon is the biggest carrier here in the United States. They're the biggest one that has the most subscribers and best coverage overall. So I would say the best one, like I said, in the United States, is definitely Verizon. You can ask anybody. Yes, they're the most expensive, and they got a lot of fees, but they're the best. So let's get into it, guys. It says, were you a Verizon customer between the dates of January 1st, 2016 and November 8th, 2023? So wow, big range right there. So if you were a customer from this date, from January 1st, 2016 all the way to 2023 or November 8th, if so, you may be eligible to receive up to $100 from an agreement to 100 million settlement fund. Wow. Stemming from those pesky administrative charges you see on your monthly bill. Now, to be fair and to be on Verizon's side, a lot of carriers are actually starting to do this. There's, I'm not going to name any, but you'll start seeing a lot of these little fees that are little hidden fees. You know why they're, T-Mobile does those commercials, no hidden fees or anything like that. Well, there's fees in there, trust me. But definitely, I know Verizon was the one, and they've done it a couple times too on their rate plans. They have went up a couple times on the plans, or the fees have went up. So this time it's due to the administrative charges. Like I said, you do see that on the bill. I think it's like $3 or $4 or whatever. Maybe it went up to $7. But says, as stated in an email that is reaching eligible customers, the lawsuit claimed that Verizon was and still is charging a monthly administrative charge on Verizon postpaid customer wireless accounts that was unfair and not adequately disclosed. So basically, if you have to be also a postpaid customer, guys. So prepaid customers do not get this administrative charge. So if you are, this should actually say, if you're a postpaid Verizon customer from January 1st, 2016 to November 8th of 2023, then you will be eligible. So if you are currently a Verizon customer and you were signed up with them January 1st, 2016 or before that, and all the way to November 8th of 2023, which is a long time. I mean, $100, guys, that's pretty low. But remember, that's per customer, and like I said, Verizon has lots of customers, so that's $100 million. At least is what they're saying. So it says, mind you, Verizon denies that it did anything wrong. According to the email, Verizon states that it will continue to charge the administrative charge and that it has the right to increase the administrative charge. So they put administrative charge on there and then it went up. I mean, I kind of get it, guys. Everything's going up: groceries, gas, taxes, homes, property values, everything's going up. I mean, it's inflation. What can you do about it? And a lot of carriers, like Verizon or AT&T or whatever, they put these to try to cover some of these expenses, because like I said, it's not cheap to run a cell phone carrier, and towers are not cheap. I don't know if they're $400,000 for one tower or $1 million. It's pretty expensive. It's either $500,000 or $1 million. Like I said, of course, Verizon has to put up all these towers, guys. If you want your service to be working good, they need that. So says, moral of the story is, if you gave Verizon money for cell service between the previously mentioned dates, you might be eligible to claim some cash. Claiming the money is easy enough. There's a dedicated website for doing that, and it's here. Or like I said, they will send you emails and everything. It says the claim deadline is currently listed as April 15, 2024. So you got about 4 months. This gives you plenty of time to get any necessary paperwork ready for the claim process. So, of course, you're probably going to need some bills or bank statements saying that you did get charged these fees. So, just check it out. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Hopefully, you get your $100. Easy way to make $100 if you do qualify. So, thank you, guys.